थैंक्स भगत। यदि आप पहली बार हैं मेरे चैनल पर तो चैनल को अवश्य ही सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। गुड मॉर्निंग माय ऑल फ्रेंड्स। जय श्री राम दोस्तों, मित्रों, भक्तों एवं संतों। इन दिस वीडियो आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट द राजस्थान culture. It is very old culture and very important culture. All of you know that in the Rajasthan waters are very shortage. So how the people of Rajasthan manage the water? In this video I want to tell you how the people of Rajasthan manage the water. I stand near ये तालाब. It is Hindi words where collect the raining water in the field that called talab. In this video I use talab words. You understand that where the collect waters that called the talab. You are looking. This area is the talab. So here it is raining water or collected in this area. In the Rajasthans, all villagers reserve some fields for the raining water, and all raining waters collect in the talab. Then they use these waters full years in the drinking, in the bathing, and for animals. Every purpose the people of Rajasthan use this water, and they accepting, they understanding, and they are saying that this water is very pure. At the present time, government have managed supply water by the pipelines in everywhere, in every village, but a lot of peoples at this time, a lot of peoples are accepting that this raining water is the pure water and the supply water is not pure. Or at this time, it is the morning, but you understand that all peoples come here and take water and go to house. It is one way. Or second is they make the well which are waterless, and make some field cemented. तो raining times वो cemented places waters collected in the well, then they use that water. Are looking this well. It is pattern systems of the Rajasthan. It is cracked, but is all places are cemented, and raining waters is collecting in this well by this way, surrounding. You can see by this way the raining water is going under these tanks. You see these tanks. Yeah. There is water. So it is old systems of the Rajasthan. So in the way, by foot way, it is at this time pitch road, but in the ancient time it is the by feet road. So in all the by feet road there is some distance every villagers make this such as a well where is the raining water to collect in this tank. So everybody if you are going to buy food, so they have if they have need to drink the water, so they take water from these tanks always times. It is the Rajasthan's peoples make systems for the water. These cultures are very old of the Rajasthans about the waters because here is no water in under the earth or where is water waters are available in the earth, so that is not pure. So here people always like the raining waters, or they accepting that raining waters are very pure. So you understand? You are looking that there is the water tank is made by governments and supply water supply waters are available in this village and in this area, but public are accepting that it is most pure than supply waters. So and it is the culture of Rajasthan, where is very shortage of water. Our government have managed supply water. Now I have stand in this field which raining water is going to Talab. So you are looking that all fields there is it is 2 or 3 kilometers around field. In this field, nobody can pass the urine or nobody can go to latrine in this field. In this field, only animals walking and all raining waters collected in the talab. So it is this system is all villages of the Rajasthan. This field is surrounding 2 or 3 kilometers. You see this is. Now today my morning walk is over and I am going to back. Thank you. Thank you. Then I will meet in the next video. If you are first time at my channel, then subscribe it. Or if you have subscribed, then welcome and like, share, comment the videos. Thank you. Best of luck.